Let me tell you a little bit about my favorite features of the Vesuvius Tee. First of all, it is worked top down and it is completely seamless. This also means that you can adjust the length as much as you want. So you can make the front longer or the back longer or both of them. As you see, I did my back much longer than my front. One of the best features about this t-shirt is the edging that goes around the neckline, around the sleeves, and around the rounded hem. And yeah, by the way, look at these nice rounded corners. I just think they make it look so nice and elegant. Another thing I really like is this stitch pattern. Makes it super airy, but it's not see-through. How great is that? And please, let's talk about this lovely split hem. Now, you might think that's way too intense, that's way too high. And yes, it is. I wanted it to be very dramatic. But the pattern comes with instructions to make it just like mine or to modify it to make it fit your body. So definitely check out the lookbook so that you can see all my different tested versions and you can see which one would fit your style better. But my favorite thing about this design is how size inclusive it is. I worked really hard to make sure that this nice drop shoulder shaping that is happening happens roughly around the same spot on every size, so that small sizes don't end up with the shoulder way up here and large sizes don't end up with the shoulder way down here, which means that the body of each size is actually quite different. And it makes it look so nice on all different types of bodies. And of course, I can't forget of this lovely detail at the shoulder. I just love how these rows meet with this one right here. And I just think it looks so elegant and pretty, and it makes the shoulder drop very nicely without excess fabric around the underarm or around the back. And it's very pretty. Well, now that you know my favorite things about Vesuvius, I hope you really give it a go because it's definitely one of those summer staples that you'll never want to take off.